Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making a delicious recipe for tofu skewers that are coated in a buffalo barbecue sauce and served over a delicious cabbage salad. It's going to be so good. It's perfect for summer, perfect for these warm nights when you want something filling but also delicious, and the cabbage salad is so good. You're going to love it. Real quick, before we get into the video, I just want to say I'm going to be making a little change to the channel. For a long time, I was packing in 3 to 5 recipes per video. And right now, with being in all the midst of wedding planning and everything going on, 3 to 5 recipes in one video per week is just way too much. I'm going to be switching back to something I did a few years ago where I called it seasons. So we're starting the summer season today. And basically you would get recipes that are applicable for that season. So we're going to be making a lot of delicious things. And then we'll take like a little break. Then we'll hop into fall. Then we'll take a little break. Then we'll hop into the holidays. So it gives me time to just kind of really create and make more long form videos for you guys as well, because I don't feel like I have to rush through all the steps because I'm trying to cram in so many things. Right now, it feels like everything online is fast, short. And I find myself lately more than ever, I've been watching so much YouTube and just really craving long videos and details and hearing people talk, and not everything needs to be erased. So that's what we're doing. So as always, the full written recipes are on my blog, plantifully.com. Description box has the ingredients. I link anything I think you may need. And yeah, I'm excited. I know it's going to be a little bit of a change, and I'm sure sprinkled in here, there might be some what I eat in a days and things like that. I like doing those still too. But I just, right now, I cannot commit to giving you guys 3 to 5 recipes per video. That's a lot. And it's a lot of blog work and whatever, things you guys don't care about. So with all that being said, let's get into the recipe. To start off, obviously we need some tofu. I am using this smoked fava bean tofu. You can use super firm tofu though. It doesn't have to be a smoked tofu. I just thought the smoked tofu would add and enhance the grilled aspect of this. But otherwise, just use super firm tofu. I don't really recommend using anything less than super firm tofu, as I'm afraid it will be too mushy. So I just cut it up into pieces, and don't cut it into pieces that are too small because otherwise they'll fall apart on the skewer. And then we are going to whisk together buffalo sauce and barbecue sauce. This creates sweet heat. It's such a good flavor together, and it's so delicious. So I definitely recommend adding the two in. Of course, if you just want to go the route of doing buffalo sauce or just the route of barbecue sauce, you definitely can. And both are vegan friendly, but always just check the ingredients on the back of your bottle, but I'll link the ones I use down below. We're going to set those to the side for a little bit to kind of marinate. And in the meantime, I'm going to cook up some corn. This is just frozen corn. Cook it on a low heat and mix it occasionally, and it's going to pan fry it and it comes out beautiful. I have fresh parsley here that I am chopping up and some fresh mint. And I wanted to add this to the dressing to create nice herbiness and flavor. This parsley was a little rough, but it was perfect for something like this. So I just chopped it up nice and small. And then I'm also just doing a few mint leaves, maybe 4 to 6. Whenever I smell mint, it instantly makes me think of my great grandma. She had mint bushes, and whenever we went to her house, she would always tell us to take the mint and smell it. So I do like incorporating mint sometimes when I can, and it adds really nice flavor into this dressing. It creates obviously mint, but it also makes like a light flavor, a little zesty kind of, it just makes it nice. Then we are going to juice 2 lemons. I like to roll the lemons out ahead of time. That way they become extra juicy. And I have not broken down and bought a juicer. I just use my strainer and I keep it over the top of the measuring cup so it catches all the seeds. We're going in with vegan yogurt. I'm using the one from Coco June. Any yogurt will work. I like a Greek style one though, personally. That's thicker, and some water. And we did salt and pepper, and then just whisk this up. You will taste it and add in whatever seasonings you like. It did taste good, but I also felt it needed a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and a little more salt. But again, you can like play around with this. If you want to add in some red pepper flakes, give it a little heat. If you want to add in a little bit of something sweet to make it a little bit sweet, whatever you want. Easy to customize. So you can see our corn is really nice and grilled up, so that's awesome. Our tofu has been sitting for about 20 minutes. I just really wanted to let it have a minute to sit in the sauce and soak up these flavors. And I am pushing them now onto some skewers. I'm using metal skewers, but if you do use wooden skewers, be sure to soak them ahead of time. Now, when I'm skewering the tofu, I am taking the flattest part and putting that facing upwards. So this way it has more contact with the grill because these are rectangles. So the skinny side is facing out and the bigger, flatter side is facing up. I'm using an electric indoor grill. It makes my life a lot easier, but you can do these on an outdoor grill. Just check them. And don't throw away this leftover sauce. We're saving it. Don't throw it away. So I'm gonna cook the tofu on each side about 5 to 7 minutes. I have that on a high heat, but if you're doing it on a regular grill, I would recommend doing a medium heat so the tofu doesn't stick. Now, let's get into making our cabbage salad. I really wanted just a delicious salad to be paired with these tofu skewers. And I love cabbage a lot. I feel like I forget about cabbage often. So I cut the cabbage in half. Then I just took out some of those outer leaves that were very soft and had some dirt on them. And then we're just going to cut that bottom core out. And from here, I'm just going to very thinly slice with my knife. If you have a mandolin and you want to use a mandolin, you can. You could also probably put this in a food processor and let it shred it up. But honestly, I just took about 2 to 3 minutes to let the knife do the work. But I wanted to be as thin as possible and sort of as shredded as possible. So it's almost, yes, it's a salad, but it's almost like a slaw at the same time. I checked on our tofu skewers and I was going to flip them. It took a little bit of maneuvering because obviously the metal was hot, but I realized I can put the fork in there and twist it. So you can see we're having some grill marks forming and it's going really well. Another reason I like that this indoor grill specifically is because it cooks it also from the top. So it's kind of nice. It's getting cooked both ways. Okay, back to the salad. I added about half of our dressing, a third to a half of our dressing to the cabbage, and we're just going to mix it up. I want to coat all the cabbage in this dressing first before we add the other things. I like to do this. It adds nice flavor and just gets the party going. So then I have my cucumbers. I'm using mini Persian cucumbers. You could use a big English cucumber, and I am just going to cut it up, chop it up pretty small. I wanted these to be little bite-sized pieces of cucumber, but of course you can always cut it however you like. And we're just going to transfer that into the salad. Then I am going to thinly slice up a red onion. Again, if you have a mandolin, you could use it, but if you just are patient with the knife and go slow, you can also do it with the knife. Then I have some, I believe these were cannellini beans. They could also be Great Northern beans, but you want some sort of a white bean. I'm gonna add in that corn, and I have vegan feta. This is the one from Follow Your Heart. And how gorgeous is this? This is beautiful. We're going to add the rest of the dressing and just mix everything up. Really take your time, coat everything, get it all well incorporated, and you can taste the salad and add in, more salt and pepper if you feel it needs it, or any more seasonings or anything else that you like. The tofu skewers are all done. They look delicious. They look beautiful. That color is gorgeous. And I'm telling you, if you've never tried buffalo and barbecue sauce together before, you're really missing out. And now we can just plate it up. I added a nice few generous scoops of our cabbage salad, the tofu skewers on top. And now remember, we saved that sauce so we can brush the tofu skewers with it before serving. It just makes everything look glazy and beautiful and shiny and nice. So I like it. And it also, of course, just adds an extra flavor. And that's it. Now we have this beautiful dish. It's perfect for summer. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous, and it holds up pretty well in the fridge because the cabbage is sturdy and the tofu is cooked so well. I love how it has that nice outer coating. So that was this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more videos. Bye.